Among today's big market stories, China cutting key lending rates. Eunice Yoon joins us live from Beijing. Good morning, Eunice.
Hey, Joe. Well, it was a much anticipated move. China trimmed its key lending rates. This comes after it cut two interest rates last week in a surprise move. So it cut its one-year loan prime rate, or LPR, by 5 basis points to 3.65%, and the 5-year LPR was cut by 15 basis points to 4.3%. Now, the 1 year is a reference for new loans in China, and the 5 year is a reference for mortgages. And even though the cut itself was anticipated, the amounts kind of give you a little bit of a window on what the policymakers are thinking, because the interest rates last week were cut by 10 basis points. So the 1 year, which is for new loans, was cut a little bit less than expected, and the 5 year was cut a little bit more than expected. So it suggests that the policymakers are hoping to keep the borrowing costs relatively steady, but that they really want to target the struggling property sector. However, it is still unclear, Joe, whether or not this move is really going to have much of an impact because people haven't really been in the buying mood for a property, or for really anything else for that matter.
Yeah. Well, so many different cross currents coming from different parts of the world, obviously, Eunice, and I'm still getting over the whole Taiwan issue, but I guess what really matters is the type of economic growth and headwinds that President Xi is seeing, and that factors into some of the other things that I was just referencing. So what's the bottom line, do you think, Eunice, in your view?
Well, I mean, it's going to depend on a lot of different factors. I think, as you said, President Xi is facing a whole bunch of headwinds, not only from the struggling property sector, which is supposed to be a traditional driver in this economy, but a lot of people are seeing unfinished homes and getting really angry about it. And then you have what we've talked about in the past couple of days, this drought that is going on. So that's hurting a lot of factories that are having to ration their power. And then you mentioned Taiwan. A couple days ago, I thought that story was going to go away. Well, it turns out that the Indiana governor came to Taiwan, or went to Taiwan, and for a meeting with President Tsai Ing-wen, where they discussed what they described as democracy chips, meaning semiconductors, but still, so that is another point where of contention between the U.S. and China, and it's really difficult to say where it's all going to head in terms of U.S.-China relations, because China, each time it sees any visitor, even though it could just be a visitor that has absolutely nothing to do with, say, Speaker Pelosi's visit, Beijing gets pretty angry about it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.